how can we recognize sadhu? There is sadhu, there is true sadhu, the saintly person, but how can we recognize him? The sadhu's heart is very soft, because sadhu is engaged in loving seva to Krishna, in favorable direction. Anukulena Krishna Nushilanam. That means he is doing everything for Krishna's pleasure. He wants to please Krishna. Yasmin tushte jagat tushta. If Krishna is satisfied, whole world will be satisfied. Therefore, sadhu is feeling compassion to one and all. But at the same time, sadhu is just like a thunderbolt, very hard. When the sadhu's heart will become hard, if anything going against Krishna, he is very hard, he is very heavy. That means sadhu cannot see how Krishna seva is disturbed by any means. Sadhu cannot tolerate Krishna seva is not going. And that time he is becoming very strong, like as thunderbolt. Tato duksangamutse utsrijya satsu sajjeta buddhiman santa evasya chindanti mano vyasanga muktibi. Srimad Bhagavatam 11 Canto 26, chapter 26 verse. An intelligent person should therefore reject all bad association and instead take up the association of saintly devotees, whose words cut off the excessive attachment of one's mind. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he taught Srila Rupa Goswami about what this Uttama Bhakti is. Anya Bilashita Shunyam Gyanakarma Dhyanavritam. Then he wrote this shloka. Anukulyena Krishna Nushilanam Bhaktir Uttama. Unless one will give up desires different from the desire to please Krishna, he will not understand what is the pure bhakti, pure loving devotional service to Krishna. So therefore he should give up. And also he should give up karma and jnana, kanda, which is what is mentioned in Veda, that should be also given up. This is the teaching of Mahaprabhu. If one cannot give up this, he cannot develop pure bhakti, Shuddha bhakti, Anukulyena Krishna Nushilanam. So our goal of life is to develop pure bhakti towards Bhagavan Krishna.